Today, we're exploring the wonders of chia seed water and how this simple addition to your daily routine can transform your health. Let's start by understanding what chia seeds are. Originating from the Salvia hispanica plant native to Guatemala and Mexico, these tiny seeds were not just a staple, but a superfood for ancient Mayan and Aztec warriors, providing them with endurance and strength. And it's no surprise why. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various micronutrients, making them a powerhouse of nutrition. But the magic begins when they meet water. As they soak, chia seeds expand up to 12 times their weight, forming a gel-like consistency. This hydrophilic property is not just fascinating, but beneficial for us in multiple ways. Weight loss. They expand in your stomach, helping you feel full longer, which can reduce overeating and cravings. Digestion. The soluble fiber acts as a prebiotic, supporting healthy digestion and alleviating constipation. Hydration. Their water-absorbing ability keeps you hydrated, making them perfect for post-workout recovery. Omega-3s. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for heart and brain health. Bone health. They're also a great source of minerals like calcium and magnesium, essential for bone health. Antioxidants. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants, combating free radicals and supporting overall wellness. Making chia water is super easy. Just add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to your glass of water, stir, and let it sit for about 20 minutes.
And there you go! Your powerhouse drink is ready!
You can also jazz it up with some lemon, honey, or fruit for extra flavor. You would love starting your day with this energizing drink. It's simple, refreshing, and works wonders. Chia seeds are widely available at grocery stores or online. Remember, quality matters, so opt for organic to avoid any contaminants. Thanks for tuning in to discover the wonders of chia seed water. If you're ready to make a small change with big impacts, give this a try and let us know how it goes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthy life.